Dear friends, today's topic is how to export chat from WhatsApp to Telegram. Suppose you want to shift from WhatsApp to Telegram and you want to continue the chat which you have done in WhatsApp and you want to transfer or export the WhatsApp chat to Telegram chat. We can use this procedure. Let us see how to do that. Just go to WhatsApp, open the WhatsApp. So here I want the chat with my friend. Okay, this is the WhatsApp chat which I have done, and I want to transfer this WhatsApp chat to Telegram chat. Right? This is one of my friend. He's there with me in Telegram too, but I just want to transfer this chat to Telegram. See here, so this is the Telegram chat. I have done it with him. So he is my friend. He is also an YouTuber. So let us transfer this chat, okay, which I have made with him to Telegram. In order to do that, in order to export chat, you have to click the top, that three dots. Just click it. Then click more, then click export chat. So it's asking including media will increase the size of the chat export. Either we can export chat without media or with media. So I am including the media too. So click include media. Okay. Now where to export this chat? So I want to export it to Telegram. So click Telegram. Now where to export? Okay, just go through it. Okay, here is my friend. Okay, click that. Now it says import messages. Do you want to import messages from so and so with here Telegram? Okay, so and so. Messages will be imported into the current day, but will also include their original timestamps. Both sides will see the message. So just clicking it, click import. Now importing. Okay. Chat imported successfully. Okay. Save space on your device by importing more chats to Telegram. Okay. Click done. See here now, all the chats has been imported. So with the timestamp, see here February 17. He's also a YouTuber. So February 17 he has made a chat with me. So almost all the chats which I have imported, it is reflected there in the Telegram chat. Okay. See here. Let us go through it. See here, my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Like that he was asking me. So similarly he has made a lot of chat with me. Right. The last chat was I wishing him Merry Christmas. This one. So let us go through it. Check this Telegram chat. See here, the last was Merry Christmas, the wishes. Okay, so starting with this, so we have done exporting of the WhatsApp chat to Telegram chat. Thank you friends. This is the process how to export chat from WhatsApp to Telegram. Thank you so much. Try, it will work out. Thank you.